welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground here, and today we're back for another video, and this is Rock Blaster 1.2. So this is my old game, Rock Blaster. So yeah, all these loves, favorites, all these remixes and views. Thank you for giving me 7,854 views, 146 remixes, 76 favorites, and 95 likes. So thank you for all your support on this video. Just like all these people, so thank you for doing this. So in this game, we're gonna add the rocks going the speed, because I made the speed for all sprites only. So this thing, I made it all sprites only, so they should be for this sprite only, and that's what I did wrong. So it's supposed to be for all, no, for all this sprite only, not for all. So yeah, so that's what I did wrong for the rocks. And yeah, now this variable's over here. And then spaceship, we have lives now. So lives, we are going to add lives actually. So in this project we're gonna add lives. So because people are requesting for lives because they think the game's too hard, maybe because one-shot kill. And then for the laser, in the end of the game when you die or something, the laser just, you can keep on shooting it if you click space. So as you can see, look, bam, 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 bam. And there's no rocks and you're already dead. So we're gonna change that. So this is our original game. So I'm gonna show you my original game. So we already changed the speed because yeah, we already have the speed done. And then, but we're gonna die. So we didn't add lives yet, and this game over here. So shoot. So yeah, that's what we have. So I'm gonna make a new project and start this game all over to a fresh start. So save as a copy. And then now I have to see my copy and instead change it to 1.2. So this is Rock Blaster 1.2. It's gonna be more enhanced version, but I doubt it's gonna get more views than the original one, because original is always better than copy. So, because original always better than spin-offs. So yeah, we're gonna start with the rocks. So we're gonna add the speed first. We're gonna add we're gonna delete this show. We may not need that show here. And then game over. We could keep. We are gonna keep that. Yeah. When I start as a clone, go to this, but this time we need a show. And then we have to set speed. We already done the speed. So speed. Yeah. I'm gonna show this. Yeah, we already done the speed. So yeah, just change it to for this sprite only, not yet. Yeah, for this sprite only, and just name it like speed. So that's what you're supposed to do. And yeah, so that's all you have to do. And then instead of a broadcast message here, because we have lives now, we have to do forever instead of broadcast. Forever. So over here, above the repeat until, let's first just clear this, put this on the side first, and see what we need and what we don't need. So I'm gonna code this new script. So if then, touching rocket ship, then hide, and broadcast hit spaceship. So we have to, oh yeah, we also have to put this in. I'm gonna put this first and broadcast hit spaceship, because we have lives now, so it's way different. And then I always get confused from the hit spaceship and wait. We need a wait instead of broadcast, just regular broadcast, just a wait. And then we can. This is hit spaceship, and then this is a go to, and then I already have it at the position. I'm just gonna drag this in. So after the broadcast, just follow my lead. I'll just try to go slow, and then click this block show, and then put it under go to. And then we have to change X by speed. I actually could take this whole block in and put at what I get out. So I actually don't need that. I'm gonna put change X of speed first, and then I'm pretty sure this is the same code. Yeah, and this is the same code. So we don't have to change this because this is this is the score, so we obviously do not have to change this, and this is the rock's position. So yeah, we don't need to change this either. And then we can just throw this away. And then now we have to work on the rocket ship. So the rocket ship has a little bit more code than normal, not that much. So variables, we gotta make live, which is lives because multiple. So yeah, we have that. Set score to 0 and set lives to 5. You can set it to 1, you can set it to 1,000,000. I don't care what you set it to. But I'm gonna set it to 5 because it's probably the most relevant. So in those set size to 50%, point in direction 180. 180. I'm just gonna type this in. 180. And forever touching forever. You don't even need touching rocks because it doesn't have to. Wait, you don't need this. So yeah, touching the rocks. Yeah, so we don't need this anymore because you're not gonna die from one hit, one kill. So now we need a forever, and then put that in. And then we have game over. We have to keep that. And then when I receive hit spaceship, so we made that variable. I mean broadcast message. Then change live by -1. So it will lose a life every time it gets hit by a rock. Or you can make it 100 lives lost or something. I don't care. And then you need an if then. So over here, drag this over here. If then, you need an or. If then the lives is less than 0, then it'll lose. So I'm gonna type this. Lives is less than 0 or equal to 0 because you can die from 5 rocks exactly, or you can die from 6 rocks. So yeah, let's put this in. Yeah, so that looks fine. And then broadcast game over. Yeah, broadcast game over. Yeah, not hit spaceship. Sorry. And then after that, laser time. So lasers also have a bug. Game over. I don't think they have a bug as this. Yeah, game over is always the same because it's always game over when you die. So anyways, let's do this. So we have some code left. And first we have to then we have to add something to this. So I'm gonna delete this real quick because we do not need this. And after that, we're gonna go forever. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit because I don't think you guys can see that. If then the key space is pressed, which is that's the key space. So if that's pressed, then it will wait until not key space is pressed. So wait until, where's that block? Wait until. So this is for that you cannot spam the space key. So if you just hold it, you'll go like something like that. So if you add this code, it will not spam it. Not spam it. So key space pressed. it will create clone of myself. So we have all of this code done. And yeah, we're good. Because on the old code, we did when space key is pressed, it will create clone of myself, which you can spam. So we decided to make this. So because of that, you can also shoot because the game is over, and we want to keep the code the way a different way, because people notice that when you die, you can still hold the key space press and you can shoot after when you die. So we changed this in this one. So yeah, and then yeah, let's see how our project is. First, I'm gonna full screen it. So the rocks are moving at a different momentum. So, and look, the lives are going down. So as you can see, you can shoot, and you can't even spam anymore. See, look, good. I'm clicking it. Do you not hear this? Do you not hear this? So that's what we have. So you cannot spam afterwards. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some score. So we have to kill the rocks. So they're moving at a different momentum. So they were not moving in a different momentum on my 9-month one. So that one, my old project. So they were not moving at a different momentum. So look, some are slow, some are quick, some are the speed of sound. It's all different. So great. And we also added the live, so you can just die now. And you don't get one-shot killed, so that's really annoying if you do. So that's why we decided, and you cannot spam or do the thing after when you die. So yeah, great. So I'm gonna show you the code for all the sprites I have. So let's just zoom in a little bit. No, one more out. Yeah, you guys can see that, right? So I'm gonna make this smaller so then you guys can see that better. So if you do this, feel free to pause whenever you need to. So I'm just reviewing over the code. So you can also zoom into your YouTube video. So yeah, and then the rocket ship. This is what we have. So feel free to pause. Laser. I'm trying to move these together so that you guys can see it better. So look, laser. Feel free to pause. Game over. We didn't even work with the game over today, but you can change that. I know if you didn't add it in the last video. So, anyways, so in the backdrop, I could also add some music because music is always better. We always add music and sounds for our thing because sound. So I'm gonna get a sound. I don't know which one I should get. Probably a good one. Like, yeah, this is in space. So I'm gonna take dance space. I like this one. So let's put this forever. I think it's not loud enough. And I think it's fine actually. So play sound dance space until on. So I just enhanced the game a little bit. So look, there's a little music too. So nice. And then you kill the rocks and like some are going at the speed of sound, some are going so slow. So I'm not spamming, I'm actually clicking it a bunch of times. So you can't spam. Look, I'm holding down the space key and you cannot spam. So you can try that for yourself later. So yeah, so, and then I can die here, so I want to die. Dun, 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 dun. So you can't spam afterwards. So, and the music even stops too. So, nice. So this is what we have for our game. So you can check this out because I'm going to share this. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. Whatever you want to comment. I don't care what you comment unless if it's a comment. Because, yeah, why not? You can comment, look at this game or something. And I'll sometimes look at it. Sometimes I'll favorite it. Yeah, sometimes I'll do these stuff. Okay, great, guys. Bye, guys, and see you guys next time.